In this video today we will see how to log out of your Gmail account from the iPhone. Now if you are accessing the Gmail account by using web browsers such as Safari or Chrome, and if you want to log out of your Gmail account, then what you will do is you will tap on this menu option here. You will tap on your Gmail account and you have the option sign out of all accounts. Choose that one and then you can log out of the Gmail account. Now suppose if you have logged into your Gmail account by using Gmail application, then the only way to log out of the Gmail application is to remove the Gmail account from the iPhone. So I will open Gmail application. Now suppose if I have to sign out of this Gmail application, then what I will do is I will tap on this profile icon and then I will go to this option manage accounts on this device, and I will select this option remove from this device, remove. So by doing so, what I have done is I have logged out of the Gmail account from the Gmail application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.